The medium is really difficult to find, so I think next time I go to Japan, if and when they ever open their borders again for tourists, I think then we can go on the hunt for medium-sized vintage Chanel Kelly. What you doing? You come? Yeah. You come? Yeah, good, Matita. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I still have a lot of footage to show you from the pre-loved shops in London. I filmed so much that day. I'm gonna roll that footage in a second. But today's vlog is called Bags and Bunnies because we're gonna pick up another fluff. Let me tell you what we're doing today. I want to talk to you about something that's actually really close to my heart. You guys know I have 2 pet rabbits and I got them from a friend's friend whose bunnies, you know, had a litter of bunnies unexpectedly and they needed rehoming. Whenever I've been to a pet shop in Germany, in the UK, it doesn't matter, it always breaks my heart under what conditions obviously the pets, you know, are living there. And guys, there are so many, if you want an animal, there are so many websites out there with rescue animals, with animals who need rehoming. I found the perfect fluff, I found this one, and we're gonna go and pick him up now. And I thought he would be the perfect addition to our little rabbit bunny family. And there he is, guys. Hi, my kleines Poopsie Poopsie. Hi, little one. I know, it's so scary, the noises at the train station, right? We're gonna go home right away now. I mean, can you believe how fluffy he is? Can I show you that? Oh, he's just one big fluff boy. My heart is melting. He's so cute, isn't he? Yeah, do you have a little brother now? Crumble's just getting to know him. Hi. Who's that? I really need to give him a brush. Oh, they're both getting to know each other. And Crumble, do you want to have a look too? Hi, Puffy. Should I call you Puffy? Oh, they're all getting to know each other now. Oh. Hi, babies. Do you like your new brother, Crumble? You're such a big fluff boy. I need to really brush you. So cute how careful Crumble is. How he's like, who's that, mummy? Who's that? And Crumble is like poking me. He's like, I don't want to share my room. Fluff boy's first steps on the sofa. I think he doesn't know what a sofa is. While I'm trying to play Red Dead. Yes, I'm a gamer, I always told you guys. Okay, and now let's roll the shopping vlog footage. I just arrived in Designer Exchange. Just gonna have a look what's new. And you said the Birkin 25?
Yes, so this is a specific leather called Peau de Porc, which has been not around quite some times, but they brought it back again from 2022. Wow. So the bag is from 2022.
Store fresh, new.
Exactly. And you will see the difference from the padlock, which is covered with leather, compared to the normal ones which I just mentioned.
Yes, okay, so lots of new pieces. A crocodile, what's it called again, Picotine?
It's, yes, it's a all black Picotine.
Matte black crocodile. Yes. And it's so black Birkin, they are rare. Hello.
From 2019,
oh.
Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Still pretty new as well. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous matte green Birkin 35. Okay, so let's have a look. We have some Gucci pieces here. You could use that as a travel bag. Little trunks, soft trunks, actually 2 of them. And I love the embroidered pieces. Gucci at the moment is a little bit boring, right? If we compare to like Alessandro Michele's first designs.
Yeah. Future was on the spotlight.
I know.
With Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
The Balenciaga collaboration.
True.
During the summer. Look
at all these beautiful Chanel bags. You've got the choice, guys. And you don't need to bag USA. Currently it's so difficult to get classic bags. Look at this little PVC bag. And yeah, okay, it's too much always to take in. Oh my god, they have a Kelly. We definitely need to try this one on. A vintage Chanel Kelly. And guys, this was still the real gold-plated hardware. Can we see the little sign there? And look at this beautiful clutch. Oh, lots of little crystals. More boy bags. I love mine still. I don't know, let me know if you think they're out of fashion. Oh, Gabrielle bags. I'm just looking for a small Gabrielle. Seems like the medium size is always You can find that easily on the pre-loved market. I think, oh, wow, do we know from which year this one is? We definitely need to try this vintage tote on in a second. I mean, I can't believe how beautiful it is, and look at the price, such a good price. This, guys, is actually a tote bag and a classic flap in one. So you can actually take the classic flap out. And, ooh, let's look at this one. Louis Vuitton trunk. Wow. I mean, that is fashion history. Yup. Look at the beautiful leather, how it's patinaed. Look at the locks. Wow, gorgeous. Yeah, we're still finding out what date code it has and from what year it is. Let's look at that watercolor Speedy in the meantime. Wow, they are usually, it's so difficult to find them in like good condition. Look at the patina on the leather. Like, whoever owned this before didn't wear it a lot, let's be honest. And let's have a look inside here again. Gorgeous. So here we have more rare Louis Vuitton bags. Leopard. And oh my god, I can't believe it. They have a mini capucine in croc and it's only 6.5. Like, they are 15k if you buy them retail. Look at this gorgeous Louis Vuitton bag. More. Oh hey, so many bucket bags. A multicolor. These are quite rare, guys. I mean, this is the classic, but you know, you never know what you find, obviously, in pre-loved shops. Lots of treasures. Oh, there's this Louis Vuitton Alma bag in Kenyan fawn. Oh, sorry. I always wanted this one. Gorgeous. And here we have some more. Let's have a quick look. Another LV. I just saw that when I came in as well. And another rare Speedy. And oh my god, they still have this gorgeous Dior bag that we've seen last time. I can't believe nobody has bought it yet. This is such a rare piece, and the snakes and everything. Oh, I love it. More Chanel bags, guys. I can't believe it. So many, and what a good price. This is the Chanel Reissue 225, the size small basically. Guys, they cost like 7k at the moment. Just saying, the prices have gone up madly. Another Louis Vuitton bag, and let's look at this one. Lots of Dior, lots of rare Dior pieces. What did you say the name of this one was? Rasta. The Dior Rasta. And there we have a little embroidered Lady Dior, another Python one. Yeah, let's try some on. Hello. What a gorgeous piece. So, wow, look at the chains. And again, guys, this is a real gold-plated hardware. And wow, this is really like a substantial chain. It's quite a big bag. Like, you could use that as a travel bag, no question. Can you see how wide it is? Chanel Gabrielle in the classic beige, clear and the black. It's a medium size. I have a medium size, I know, but it's such a good price. It's like £2,700. And I mean, we know the Gabrielle is currently getting discontinued. And even the latest models that they still have in the boutiques, like the quality of the leather is not there, obviously. So if you want a Gabrielle, go for a pre-loved one. That's going to make you happier. I want one as a travel bag. I have this metallic one and I don't want to use it too much because, you know, metallics, you always have to be careful with them. This would be a good option, but I thought I wanted a small one. Let me put this crossbody. This, the V-style, is my favorite way to wear a Chanel Gabrielle bag, for sure. And then it just it's so like perfect as an everyday bag. It's another little quirky bag. I thought it's just a bucket bag, but they told me there's so many different ways of how you can wear it. So I would say first thing of how you can wear it, maybe just as a backpack kind of thing. Let's see. So it's really, can you see? It's like a lot of chains. Okay. So we leave both chains there, okay. And then go on. Just like that. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, that's one way. And
And that comes over.
Oh,
like
interesting. Okay. Interesting. Oh my god. That's like the Gabrielle just as a bucket bag with all the different ways. My absolute dream bag. This is the large size Chanel Kelly. I would love this one in the medium size. I once saw it in Japan. I should have gotten it. But yeah, let's try this one on. It is a nice everyday bag as well, I would say, if you go to the office or so. I prefer the medium size, but it's so rare. You do see the large Chanel Kelly more often on the pre-loved market than the medium. The medium is really difficult to find. So I think next time I go to Japan, if and when they ever open their borders again for tourists, I think then we can go on the hunt for medium-size vintage Chanel Kelly. Look at all of these beauties. Hello, look at this beauty. Let me zoom in a little bit. Wow, that is incredible, isn't it, guys? I need to show you a close-up. £1,511, if anyone's interested. Before we go, let's have a quick look at this beauty. Hi. How gorgeous is this? 6.5K for a croc. It's a good deal, guys. And it is a really bright and vibrant red. I think we've seen a lot of eye candies today. Like I said, you can take a flap bag out of this. That is quite a special piece. Like either wear it as a tote or as a proper flap bag. And it's a single flap, nice, so that means we have a lot of space. Patent, you guys know I love patent. You don't have to worry when you take it in the rain. Yeah. Really nice. And the price for this, let's see, 3,500. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Wow. I mean, my heart, I think the Chanel Kelly, vintage Chanel Kelly has stolen my heart. I mean, you guys can see it, I'm still speechless. Love that one. Love the idea, actually, now after seeing it in real life, of the two-tone beige and black Gabrielle. I don't need another medium one. I was so close to actually thinking, should I get it? It's such a good price. No, I'm gonna wait for the small. And yeah, let me know what caught your eye today. Did you like the Dior book tote? And guys, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And look at that. Such a beautiful afternoon. And yeah, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!